everyone, Mike Popovich here. Welcome to another video. Hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's video, we're gonna convert the GT Aggressor Pro from a 3x to a 1x. Just want to let everyone know that I'm not a bike expert, hence I don't ride a crazy fancy bike. I just picked up this GT Aggressor Pro about 3 weeks ago, and I just starting to get the bug. So I'm starting slow, picking up budget upgrades, see if I really fall in love with the sport, and then we go from there. So everything that I'm going to show you right now is just from my own point of view. I'm not an expert, so hope you guys find the information useful. Let's see how the install goes. For the chainring, I went with an oval chainring, Decas 34T. Comes in 6 different colors and multiple sizes, everything from a 30T to a 38T. For pedals, I went with the Action 170mm pedals. To remove the pedals, you need a pulling tool. Picked up this Omworks tool from Amazon. You'll get the job done. It's a really cheap tool, but I highly recommend you investing in a better tool. It will save you in the long run. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this bolt from the pedal using an 8mm Allen key. I was a little bit intimidated with this pulling tool. I've never used one before, but it's really straightforward. If you're getting the same one I got from Amazon, the black part screws right in the pedal here. You just have to hand tight it, and then the silver part, grab a 16mm. The 15 that came with it, for some reason, doesn't fit. Kind of garbage. But use a 16 and then start tightening up. So, ran into a little bit of a problem. The screws that I got, too small, so I cannot connect it. Back online, I'm gonna order some new screws. We'll be back when I have them in. Okay, 2 days passed since we started the 1x conversion. I got the new screws in. Let's take a look and see if they're gonna work. Before we put everything together, I got a box over here. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, it's another box. Okay, now that the bike is up, let's start installing the 1x. I'm gonna start by removing the front shifter because we don't need that anymore.
bring it back.
Yeah.
Test ride was a great success, no issues, everything stayed in place. I didn't lose any pedals, I didn't lose my chain. My first big mod on the bike went a-okay. That's all I got on this install video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and I'll make sure to answer as best as I can. That's all I got, guys. Until the next one, stay safe. Peace.